Hello and welcome back to Full Health. Today, I'm excited to talk about something that might already be in your kitchen, but you probably have no idea how amazing it is for your health. I'm talking about cloves, those tiny, aromatic spice buds that add a sweet and spicy touch to foods and drinks. But did you know, cloves are actually a powerhouse of health benefits? Before we dive in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. We love connecting with our audience. Now, let's uncover the fascinating benefits of cloves, especially if you're over 50 years old. Trust me, you'll be shocked at what these tiny spices can do for your health. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of this ancient superfood, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started. Oh, and before we continue, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our natural health tips. Alright, let's begin. Boost your immunity. One of the biggest benefits of adding cloves to your diet is their ability to strengthen your immune system. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can lead to oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. The key compound in cloves, called eugenol, makes up 70% to 90% of their essential oil. And guess what? Studies show that eugenol has anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, antioxidant, and even pain-relieving properties. Cloves also contain vitamin C, which is essential for producing white blood cells, the soldiers of your immune system that fight off infections. This means cloves don't just help you avoid colds and flu, they actually help your body stay stronger against many illnesses. Want to experience these immune-boosting benefits? Here's how. 1. Add a few drops of clove essential oil to a diffuser and breathe in its natural benefits. 2. Gargle with clove tea or diluted clove oil to soothe a sore throat and fight infections. 3. Sprinkle ground cloves into your smoothies, juices, or salads for a delicious vitamin C boost. And we're just getting started. Keep watching to discover more incredible health benefits of cloves. Balance your blood sugar. Did you know that cloves can also help control blood sugar levels? This makes them a powerful tool for preventing and managing diabetes. Cloves contain a special compound called nigericin, which has been found to improve insulin sensitivity and help cells absorb glucose more effectively. Here's why this is important. When your cells stop responding to insulin, or your body doesn't produce enough insulin, glucose builds up in your bloodstream. This leads to high blood sugar levels, which can cause symptoms like fatigue, thirst, hunger, and frequent urination. Over time, it increases your risk of nerve damage, kidney disease, and vision problems. But nigericin helps by 1. Slowing down the breakdown of carbohydrates into glucose. 2. Stimulating insulin secretion from the pancreas. 3. Helping cells use sugar more efficiently. So, how can you use cloves to support healthy blood sugar levels? 1. Take clove extract capsules before meals. 2. Sprinkle ground cloves on yogurt, oatmeal, or fruit. 3. Drink clove tea or infused water throughout the day. Incorporating just a small amount of cloves into your routine can make a huge difference in keeping your blood sugar stable. Enhance your memory and brain function. Now, this is really interesting. Cloves might actually help boost your memory and protect your brain from aging. Here's why. Cloves contain powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect brain cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. This is crucial because oxidative stress and inflammation are linked to cognitive decline, including diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Not only that, cloves are rich in manganese, an essential mineral for brain function and bone strength. Manganese helps produce neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that control your mood, memory, and focus. Some studies suggest that consuming cloves can 1. Improve learning and memory. 2. Enhance focus and mental clarity. 3. Reduce mental fatigue. For a memory boost, try 1. Chewing 1 to 2 cloves before bed. 2. Drinking clove tea daily. 3. Taking clove extract supplements. Remember, too much of anything can be harmful, so consume cloves in moderation. Protect your liver. Your liver is one of the most important organs in your body. It filters toxins, processes nutrients, and keeps your metabolism running smoothly. But your liver is constantly exposed to toxins, alcohol, processed foods, and even stress, all of which can cause serious damage over time. Luckily, cloves can help protect and detoxify your liver. Cloves contain powerful antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and inflammation, two major causes of liver damage. The compounds nigericin and isogen in cloves help 1. Reduce inflammation in the liver. 2. Support detoxification by increasing levels of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant. 3. Enhance liver function and prevent disease. To support your liver health, try 1. Drinking clove tea regularly. 2. Taking clove extract supplements. 3. Adding clove powder to your meals. But remember, always consult your doctor before taking any herbal remedies, especially if you have liver conditions. Final thoughts. Cloves aren't just a spice, they're a powerful natural remedy with incredible health benefits. If you're over 50, adding just 2 cloves a day to your routine can help with 1. Stronger immunity. 2. Better blood sugar control. 3. Enhanced memory and brain function. 4. Liver protection and detoxification. But always remember, moderation is key, and if you have any medical conditions, consult your doctor before making changes to your diet. Now, if you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Let's help more people discover the amazing benefits of cloves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.